What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are taking a look through Truthseekers. Now, I did a full review video on this not so long ago, but their pre-sale is live in less than 24 hours. So I'm going to take you through exactly what that looks like, how you get involved in it, and why Truthseekers should definitely be something you take a look at for your portfolio. So let's get into the first part of this video, and ultimately we'll just recap a couple of the key points. So it's the first community-led security DAO providing a complete DeFi security solution, conflict-free and accountability beyond the rest of DeFi. And I think it's important to reference their goal, and their set out is the biggest DeFi project, and ultimately they are going to revolutionize and change the game in terms of how validation of certain projects, individuals, etc. is going to work. And they are building out a ton of applications and wallets to kind of go with this. It's absolutely crazy. Next generation of cybersecurity, massive market potential, revolutionary technology for DeFi, and can reshape the crypto market. So again, I'm not going to do a full review. I'm not going to go through the white paper or anything like that. We'll specifically just go through a few bits around this. Now, it has got a number of revenues and investments that go into it, and it's always important when a project is offering certain things that ultimately it's self-sustainable as a business model. And equally, I talk about this quite a lot on the channel, where this tells me they are serious. They want to generate revenue to ultimately support the build out of their both applications and their page. So the primary source of revenue for Truthseekers is the security services that it will provide. This revenue will be invested throughout cryptocurrency space to provide the best returns for truth seekers and holders of the truth tokens. Profit from these investments will be used to buy back the truth seekers tokens, and we've seen this incredibly successful recently with a lot of projects. The investment example is validator nodes on chain such as AVAX, FTM, DAG, and ETH, which are typically too expensive for the average investor. Just as an example, it's 13 Ethereum you need to, 20 Ethereum you need to open a validator on their network, and they're typically too expensive for average investors. Bots and day trading will also be implemented by an experienced DeFi investment manager. Now, it talks a little bit here about revenue pools and ultimately where this is going to come from. I'll just give you a quick recap on this. So wallet watchers for projects with a monthly subscription fee. We're going to take a look at exactly what that is, and a $9.95 monthly fee to get alerts first for retail holders. And this is one of their build out projects that they are doing. KYC for businesses, audit for businesses, Seeker wallet and security applications, buyout of e-commerce software firms and security based software projects, tax revenue. So this tax is 5% for the first year and can be renewed or changed thereby through a community vote. NFT royalty fees from the NFT collections, and investments in other projects in seed or pre-sale phases. So that gives you an idea of exactly where these revenue streams are going to come on. Now, what are we talking about when we come to Truthseekers, and what are they setting out? So you can see here, Truthseekers next generation of security investment projects, all wrapped into one. Imagine owning a stake in Certic or Obsidian Council on day one. Imagine an investment VC that vets projects that come to them and picks only the best ones to invest in. Certic alone is now valued at over $1 billion in the market, with over only 21 million in sales last year, being an audit KYC project open to Truthseekers to a huge market potential of great seed investments. And for me, it's important to have competition in the market. We know that there are certain companies out there that basically aren't worth the paper they're written on, Certic being the standard. It's great to see another project coming out with the absolute same ambitions to do so. It talks a little bit about investments that are going to be on there. Now, let's take a look at this is only a demo, just to be absolutely clear on this, but ultimately this is the dashboard for that seed application. So the wallet watching development, and this is exactly what it is. So you're going to get the protocol name, the wallet watchers, so wallets are intact, tells you the treasury wallets, marketing wallets, development wallets, anything that you need to do. Has it been audited and has it been KYC'd? Then you see the price, users, the volume, and the market cap, along with a number of other things, i.e. what chain it's on. You've got wallet watcher lists, price alerts, and private alerts as well. So really in-depth. You can see here, this is an unverified example here where it would bring up, and again, as you, the investor, it allows you to make sensible decisions based on where you want to put your funds. Now, we can obviously see here the BNB chain wallet, the wallet's intact, it's audited in KYCs, and then you would click report, and it's going to generate you a full report based on that chain and any invulnerabilities or anything that's in there, again, so you can make the best decision on your investments. Talks a little bit about a news page as well as a couple of other things trending and US. So really simple to use, really intuitive in terms of how you use it. Again, this is just a demo as an example, but my point here is that it is building out straight from the word go. He says Wallet Watch in development, and it is just a test mode. They're still working on it. Now let's get into the pre-sale and why this one could be definitely worth checking out. So they had a seed round. You will have seen that on the videos I did previous, and they raised a good chunk of money. So the successful seed round at 40 cents, one FT per $500. The NFTs are now going for $700 to over $1,500. And I actually was checking that out earlier. The NFTs are incredibly hot right now in terms of that. So it really generated a good amount in terms of NFTs and sales. Now their pre-sale does go live as of the 2nd of December. This is the website. I will link this in the description along with all the other links to this project, but it is going to go live on the pre-sale on the 2nd at 50 cents plus one free NFT with each $2,000 invested. $1.9 million pre-sale at 50 cents is expected to sell very fast. Do not wait on it. Now, here's the point. Pre-sale is going to be 50 cents. The launch price will be 60 cents. So you are obviously getting in slightly cheaper based on this pre-sale. You can see here that the hard cap 1.9 and 32,000 BUSD is what they're aiming for. Minimum contribution is 50 BUSD. And again, you'll connect your wallet and put it through there. Again, I'll link this down there. So absolutely insane in terms of what they're going to offer. And ultimately, like we said, they are building out projects and they have this revenue and investment stream that's going to be coming through. So pretty exciting in terms of what they want to deliver and ultimately what their ambition is. Again, moving into the space to be a real challenge to something like Certic, where we can make a difference and both ultimately verify and check out new projects that are going to go on there and really start to make a difference. Now, one thing I did want to just reference and we just cover quickly back off is the Truth token in terms of taxes. So it's going to be a zero buy tax, 10% on the sell for the first 2 weeks, and then it drops to 5% for the first 12 months. Talks a little bit through what they're going to use it there for. 2.5% into the Burn wallet, remaining 2.5% to the Truthseekers treasury for future investments. A couple of other points you just need to be aware of, but it's a DeFi project, 11.2 million total tokens, and that is the maximum supply that you're going to get. It is a deflationary from day one, as we just talked about in that sell tax, and it's partnered with Kyoto Swap, and they are a huge creating their own layer 1 blockchain for carbon credits and decentralized exchanges. The Truth Security will be their preferred partners to securing their DEX and blockchain going forward. So again, another partnership built out from day one. They also will have the ability to stake Truth tokens on their decentralized application and earn more Truth tokens, and it's ultimately going to power their Truth security ecosystem and have a high potential for long-term minded holders. Again, when they're building out, they're definitely going to have a significant amount of projects that want to use them to fund and equally verify them as a project. The Seeker wallet, which is another one of their build outs that they're going to get, ultimately is going to come here, provide software that notably will reduce users' risk of interacting with high-risk wallet addresses or contracts, and it's an added security feature that only truth seekers can provide. Is a possibility due to the database combined by truth seekers that know which wallet addresses have histories of nefarious activities, and again, funded through that application seed app, will be able to track that slightly better as well. And again, it talks a little bit about kind of 30 million monthly users. We expect the Seeker wallet to extension have over 1 million downloads by 2024. So again, tons of projects coming out of this. This is what we talked about very early on, that this will be a feature that will cost $3.99 a month, and equally will be the secure of having a hardware wallet, and we hope to change the standard of crypto in the DeFi space. So pretty exciting in terms of what Truth Seekers are building out here. Lots to come with this one. Again, that pre-sale does launch tomorrow. Link in the description, so go and check it out. And again, thank you to Truth Seekers for sponsoring this video. But if you are interested, all the links will be in the description down below. Have a look, check it out, make the investments that is right for you. But Truth Seekers coming very, very soon to the world of cryptocurrencies. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.